们来看一下下载的网页哦。下载的网页是 TSI 国家实验研究室台湾半导体研究中心哦。然后
这里有一个软体申请，点软体申请之后，这个是我的，这个只有指导教授可以做。你看这里有我的名字嘛哈。那因为我们这个没什么英文的，我都讲英文，我等一下再用英文讲一次啊。那这里面会有一个软体资讯，软体资讯这里面呢会有很多东西，基本上包括完整的 Full Custom Flow 跟那个 Cell Base Flow， 它的工具它都会提供。那现在我们来看一下这边的那个软体分类哈，它有 AMS Verification Cell Library Design for Testability， 然后 ESL 是什么东西啊 ？ESL 这个我没玩过。那么 FPGA Embedded Software 等等，那底下这边有没有看到有一个 Full Custom IC Design？Full Custom IC Design 基本上这些工具就可以拿来做电路了。可是依我们学校的环境，我们基本上都是用 Virtuoso。我们应该你们比较少用什么 L-Editor IC 跟 L-Editor MEMS， 有时候做 MEMS 的举手一下，我看一下有没有？没有了哈。所以我们基本上是装这个跟 Laker， 还有Custom Explorer、Cosmos Scope， 它现在已经慢慢的被淘汰掉了。那你到这边来，你到 Virtuoso Analog Design Environment 这边看一下，你会看到这里有一个软体取得哈，到这边，那当然这边会有不同的版本啊 ，IC 0618-180、0618-120、250，有没有看到这里350？有看到吗？这个就是我现在给你们的版本，最新的版本，这样是不是啊？那么这边还有什么 IC23啊、IC5141，这个是旧版的，这个我书里面有写，我等一下再给你看。然后我们这个0618350下载安装完之后，我还要再跟各位讲怎么下载安装 ICD VM。那你不知道什么是 ICD VM， 你可以到那个这边哦，这边这是 Cadence 网页哦，然后这个 ICADVM， 它这边有 README 啊，我没有账号，所以这个没办法看。OK， 好，那我就再重讲一次啊。OK，I will explain this in English again. If you want to download and install EDA tools from TSI, which is Taiwan Semiconductor Research Institute, you need to have a professor account like me. Then there is a design service tab here. You can click design service and select software information, apply, download, and IP registration. Okay. So during this category, there is a EDA software download. Sorry, this is totally in Chinese. The website is not basically this is not a service for foreigner.
There is an English version.
No. Currently there is no English version. There is. Oh, okay, but I didn't see it. Okay, so in this software category, you can see that there is a software information. And in software information, we can see that TSI has divided all those EDA tools into several categories. During the first half of this semester, we are going to install full custom IC design software. And the major one is Virtuoso Analog Design Environment. If you select Virtuoso Analog Design Environment, you will see that there is a acquire tab. Then you can see that they provide a different version of Virtuoso, from IC 06.18.180 to the newest version IC 6.18.350. Okay, so the course today is going to show you how to install these files. Then when we complete, I will also explain how to install and set up ICADVM, which is for advanced design process. But I don't think this will be completed today. Okay. So you can see that the size of the files are very huge, totally 10 gigabyte. That is why I tell you that you need to reserve at least several hundred gigabyte for Ashwin directory. Okay, so everyone please download these 4 files first, then I will explain how to download and install the software. And before we begin, our process, I will show you that the software installation process is simplified into 4 steps. Okay, I have simplified the software download and the install process into a standard operation procedure. The first step is download. The next step is extract and install. Then you need to configure environment and test the software. If something wrong with your software, you need to do some troubleshooting. All EDA software mentioned in this course will follow this SOP to install. Understand? So I am telling you to do the first step, which is download. Okay, so please download all the packages, software packages it required to install. Okay, I will give you some time to download it, then we will continue our course.